welcome back to Vlogmas. I hope you're doing well. I just put on some workout clothes, washed my face and put on some sunscreen, and I'm gonna go for a run. I'm really excited. I haven't gone for a run in like a week and a half, I think, and I feel like when I'm out of it, like, I don't know exactly what I'm saying, but sometimes like when you take a break, it's really hard to like get back up to where you were. I don't run for like time or anything like that. I just run recreationally because I love it and it's therapeutic. I love to like think and just like listen to music, and it's truly like when I relax. So it's a good de-stressor for me, but I am bundled up. I love this outfit. It's all from Victoria's Secret, but it's from a couple years ago. But I did like that VS Sport. I think they still have a couple of things. I used to really like it. I haven't really taken a look to see what they have lately, but anyway, I'm all bundled up. I think it's like 60 degrees. Which probably to some of you sounds really warm, but to me that sounds really chilly. So I might actually put a coat on over this as well. I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna go out there and kind of feel it out and see, because it's about to get dark out. So I just want to get my run in before it gets dark. And yeah, the girls are hanging out over here. They're watching me. They're wondering, what the heck are you doing? Talking to yourself in front of the camera. So anyway, I'm gonna go for a run, you guys, and I will check in with you when I get back. I really can't get over how cute they are. No, if you just get excited about anything, they get excited. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yay! It's so cute. I just love how happy they are. They're so sweet. I love you, Rosie. I love you, Minnie. You good girls, right? You good girls. It's not dinner time yet. We still got a little while, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is what I've been running in lately. These are my running shoes. I love them. They're, excuse me. Excuse me. They're from Under Armour. I have no idea what the name of them is. I can try to link them down below and find them. Let me see if it says in here. I don't know. That's what it looks like on the inside. It doesn't look like there's a style name. But what I like about these is their material. Sorry, it's not focusing. But what I like about these is their material. So like when you run, your feet kind of swell a little bit. So I really like just like the stretchiness material of these. They do run small. I find that Under Armour shoes do run small. I am always a 6.5 in every single shoe ever. Except for Under Armour, I got a 7.5 in these. So a full size bigger. But I really like them. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear. My little Rosie. I don't know where Minnie went. But yeah, so these are what I wear. And then I also wear one of these headbands. I know I look so great right now. No, I don't. I love these headbands from Under Armour as well, just to keep my little flyaways back. I get these headbands from Marshall's, but they do have them at like Dick's Sporting Goods and things like that. So yeah, that's what I do. And I don't run with my new phone. I have a 10X Max, and it's just a little bit too big for me to hold in my hand. So I actually use my old iPhone 6, and obviously it's like disconnected. It doesn't have like cellular service on it anymore, but it has Spotify on it, and I just keep it charged. And I download the songs that I want on Spotify before I go for the run. And then if they're downloaded to your phone, you don't need Wi-Fi or cellular service. So it's actually kind of nice, because then when I'm running, I'm not distracted with like any texts coming through. I'm not distracted or tempted to like check my email or anything like that. Like I truly just focus. So anyway, that's that. All right, I'm for real gonna go for a run now and stop stalling. All right, I will check in with you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later, and holy cow, I had a very eventful run. I think the last clip I had was me before I went on a run. I was running, everything was going great, and then I fell. The sidewalk was maybe like this much uneven, and I caught it like with my foot, and I fell on my 2 knees and hands, and sorry, that's probably kind of gross, but my hands are so raw, it burns so bad. I went and took a shower, obviously. Well, actually, you know what, I couldn't even get all the way home, and I think I was just telling you guys how I run with my phone that isn't connected to cell phone service, so I couldn't even I couldn't call anyone to come pick me up. So I actually wobbled my way over to a Dunkin' Donuts to get on their Wi-Fi, and then I called an Uber to Uber me home because I was already I think it was 2.5, 3 miles away from home. I was basically almost at the far end of my turning point. I usually run about 3-4 miles or so, and then I'll turn around. So I was basically almost at that point, and then I fell. So I couldn't, it hurt so bad, my knees were just burning and it hurt and it was bleeding, and so I just didn't feel yeah, I obviously wasn't gonna run home, but I didn't even feel like walking home. So I got an Uber, and now I'm actually I'm gonna go to Publix. I didn't get all dressed up like this to go to Publix, but I took a shower, did my makeup, got cleaned up, but I'm gonna get liquid bandage for both of my palms, and then my knees are so skidded up, which really, really stinks because tomorrow Steven and I have a holiday party and at nighttime. And yeah, I was planning on wearing this cute sweater dress, but now I don't want to wear it because my knees look horrible. So that really stinks. So anyway, oh well. So yeah, Steven and I and his parents are actually going to go out to dinner tonight, so I'm very excited to see them. They went on a nice little trip, so I'm excited to hear how that went. And then yeah, I need to run to either Publix or Target to get some liquid bandage for my palms. And then I also need to run to PetSmart to get some dog food for the girls. So the dogs were not feeling well last week. They actually went on an antibiotic. And they went on this food. I can't remember if no, I definitely didn't vlog about it. But they went on this prescription diet food, and I'm hoping that they sell it at PetSmart. According to the website, it says that they sell it on PetSmart, but I don't know that it's called prescription diet, so I don't know if you actually need a prescription. My parents told me that some dog food you actually do need a prescription for, so I'm hoping that that's not the case, but the dogs love this food. It's basically just a very bland canned food. They also really love their Merrick dry dog food. I get that at Petco. However, this Hill's prescription diet you can only get at PetSmart. So, of course, my dogs love the most expensive food. Go figure. They love the most expensive food that they make. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a couple of cans of that just to mix it in with their hard food because they really enjoy it and it seems to be keeping their digestive system happy. So I'm just gonna buy a few cans of that and mix it in with their hard food. Yeah, so it's about 6:15. I need to be at Steven's at 7, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave right now, and I will catch up with you guys later, probably when I get home. Okay, bye. I can't get over how cute. As soon as I came down here and put the camera on them, Minnie, her head was right on Rosie's back, but she moved it because she's camera shy. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Minnie, come here. Minnie. Minnie doesn't like the camera. Okay. Hey guys, it's much later now. It's actually after midnight. I was FaceTiming with my mom for a while, and then I realized how late it was and I have to get up super early tomorrow morning. However, I need to wash my face, and I just saw that Erin Williams posted her video on telling her husband that she's pregnant. If y'all don't follow Erin Williams, you totally should. She's really, really authentic and I really like her, so I'm super excited that she's having another baby. I can't wait to just follow along on her journey. Her family is so cute and she does the best vlogs. I just love her channel. Anyway, my hand still hurts so bad from falling earlier. My knees feel better, but they look horrible. So yeah. Anyway, that kind of stinks. I did go ahead and I went to Target and I picked up liquid bandage. Let's see. Oh my gosh, my house is just a disaster. Not a disaster, but it's just kind of messy. I got this spray, this Dermoplast spray. It says that it's for cuts, scrapes, and burns. It prevents infection and relieves pain quickly. I actually thought it really stung, but I did want to prevent, just because it's on my hand, I wanted to like try to keep it clean. And then I got this that I'm gonna put on after I wash my face. It's called New Skin Liquid Bandage. So hopefully that works. Because like it's really hard to put band-aids on your palms, obviously. And like driving actually really hurt. Like putting your hand on the steering wheel was really uncomfortable. So anyway, hopefully it feels better in a couple of days. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Obviously I'm not editing it tonight because it's like really late and I gotta get up early tomorrow. So I'll just continue vlogging tomorrow, and then I'll probably combine today and tomorrow's footage into one video and try to get that posted either tomorrow night or more likely I'll have it posted on Sunday, but this will already be posted so you won't, this message doesn't really mean anything. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great night, great weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow.